In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my most used makeup brush. I love this brush because you can use it for so many different things other than what it was originally intended for. So this is the Sigma E65 Liner Brush, and I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can use it. Now, although this is technically an eyeliner brush, I use this for my eyebrows. I use it every single day. I swear this brush has changed how my eyebrows turn out. Like, it's totally changed my eyebrow game. It's super soft, and because it's super soft and very thin, it gives me the most precise lines like underneath my brows, above my brows, and it also gives me very fine hair-like strokes, so it's perfect for my eyebrows in the front. And this is dip brow. It helps with dip brow, like it doesn't make your eyebrows too intense. Like I said, it's just totally changed my eyebrow game. Now, also, this brush is very, very fine. It's very thin, so it's perfect for eyeliner, of course. That's originally what this brush is intended for. Now, I have very small eyes and I have hooded eyes, so whenever I'm doing my eyeliner, I do need to apply it pretty thin, and this gives me the perfect liner. Also, what I found this brush perfect for is cut creases. So cut creases, of course, you need a very precise line, and this brush just gives you that. I think because this brush is so flexible, that's why it's good for so many different things. A good tip with this brush is turning it on different angles, like taking advantage of the angle that it has on it, because it gives you very precise lines, like for your eyeliner, for your cut crease, and for your brows, of course. Like I said, this is a Sigma E65 brush. I will leave a link below if you guys are interested. Also, in the comments below, let me know if you like this brush and what you use it for, because of course I'm sure there's more than 3 things that you can use this brush
laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.